Welcome to Frontline Affairs. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. On Christmas Eve 2025, Boeing landed a $2.04 billion contract with the U.S. Air Force, not to build new planes, but to modernize the legendary B-52H Stratofortress bomber. This deal is a turning point for both Boeing and U.S. defense, ensuring the B-52 remains a backbone of American air power for decades. The timing, right after a Federal Reserve rate cut, signals confidence in U.S. industry and defense priorities. Rather than starting from scratch, the Pentagon is investing in proven platforms, making upgrades more efficient and cost-effective. For Boeing, this contract means stable, long-term revenue and a boost for American manufacturing. The project will run through 2033, keeping thousands of skilled workers engaged across multiple states. But this isn't just about keeping an old plane flying, it's a comprehensive technological overhaul. The B-52's modernization will have far-reaching impacts on military readiness, the aerospace supply chain, and America's technological edge. Let's dive into how this iconic aircraft is being prepared for the challenges of the mid-21st century. The B-52 Commercial Engine Replacement Program, or CERP, is a massive upgrade for the U.S. Air Force's bomber fleet. The B-52 has flown since the 1960s with 8 aging Pratt & Whitney engines, reliable, but outdated and inefficient. Now, Boeing will replace them with modern Rolls-Royce F-130 engines, bringing digital controls and improved power. This isn't a simple swap. Integrating new engines into a 60-year-old airframe is a major engineering feat. 2 B-52s will serve as testbeds, undergoing extensive modifications and testing to ensure safety and performance. The F-130 engines offer better fuel efficiency, longer range, and easier maintenance, cutting costs and boosting mission readiness. Upgraded digital systems will make it easier to add future weapons, sensors, and communications tech. The goal: keep the B-52 flying and relevant well into the 2050s. This upgrade tackles the bomber's biggest long-term challenge, ensuring it remains a formidable force for another generation. The B-52 isn't just a plane, it's a pillar of U.S. strategic deterrence. Its ability to deliver a wide range of weapons over intercontinental distances has kept America's adversaries in check for decades. But aging engines threaten the fleet's reliability and readiness. With rising maintenance costs and shrinking parts supplies, the new F-130 engines will boost dependability, fuel efficiency, and operational range, allowing the B-52 to stay on station longer and launch from safer bases. More onboard electrical power means the B-52 can support advanced electronics, sensors, and digital warfare systems. Upgrading the B-52 is a cost-effective way to maintain long-range strike capability, avoiding the massive expense and delay of developing a new bomber. This investment keeps a critical leg of the nuclear triad strong and credible. Modernizing the B-52 ensures it can adapt to new threats and technologies, preserving America's edge. It's a pragmatic move that secures national security for decades to come. This $2.04 billion contract is a major boost for the U.S. economy, supporting thousands of high-skilled jobs nationwide. Work will span aerospace hubs like Oklahoma, Texas, Washington, and Indiana, providing stability for engineers, technicians, and manufacturers. Multi-year defense programs like this anchor communities and foster specialized expertise. Integrating 21st-century engines and digital systems into a Cold War airframe drives innovation and advances U.S. aerospace know-how. Lessons learned here ripple into other defense and commercial projects, strengthening the entire industry. For Boeing, defense contracts provide steady revenue, helping the company weather commercial market swings and invest in R&D. The deal also supports a vast supply chain, benefiting hundreds of smaller American businesses. This strengthens the domestic industrial base and ensures the U.S. can sustain complex military hardware. The B-52 modernization is about more than one aircraft. It's about nurturing an ecosystem of innovation, jobs, and industrial strength. It's a win for economic prosperity and national security alike. While the B-52 upgrade is a U.S. project, it fits into Boeing's global strategy of building strong international partnerships. Boeing's collaboration with Turkey is a prime example. Turkish suppliers now provide key components for nearly all major Boeing platforms, from commercial jets to military aircraft. This partnership diversifies Boeing's supply chain and taps into skilled, cost-effective manufacturing. Boeing's investments in Turkey, including an engineering center in Istanbul, foster local talent and innovation. These global ties strengthen Boeing's business and the broader aerospace community, ensuring a resilient supply chain for critical projects like the B-52 upgrade. The B-52 engine upgrade is part of a broader push for greener, more efficient aviation. While the military's focus is on cost and capability, the new engines are commercial derivatives designed for fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Boeing is committed to net zero carbon emissions by 2050, investing in sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, and next-gen technologies like hydrogen propulsion and electric flight. Boeing partners with countries like Turkey to scale up SAF production, supporting global sustainability goals. Innovations from military upgrades like the B-52's new engines feed into commercial advances. Every improvement in efficiency helps the whole industry. Projects like Wisk Aero's electric air taxi show Boeing's commitment to a cleaner aviation future. The B-52 deal, while rooted in defense, is part of this larger technological evolution towards sustainable flight. In summary, Boeing's $2.04 billion deal with the U.S. Air Force is more than a contract. It's a strategic investment in America's future. The B-52H will remain a vital deterrent, upgraded for the challenges of the 21st century. For Boeing and the U.S. economy, it means jobs, innovation, and industrial strength. The program reflects a shift toward efficient, sustainable aviation, blending military needs with commercial advances. It's a model of pragmatic modernization, leveraging proven platforms and cutting-edge tech for powerful results. The B-52's new engines symbolize a bridge between past and future, keeping this icon relevant for decades. This is a story of adaptation, innovation, and strategic foresight. The Stratofortress will continue to fly, a symbol of enduring American strength for generations to come.